Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make this wooden bowl, and as always we start with a new file. And here we delete the default cube because we are not going to need that thing, and next up we're gonna add a cube because we need a cube. This cube of course is not really bowl shaped, but that is something we can fix, so we're just gonna press tab, we're gonna select the top part, and we're gonna just delete that face because we need an opening. Next up, we're gonna add a little solidify modifier, and we're just gonna crank that thing up just a teensy bit, so you have a little nice edge. Next up, we're gonna add a subdivision, and just gonna crack this one up to 3. Right click and make it smooth. This one is currently pretty high, so we're just going to select everything and just gonna scale it down a little bit so we have a nice bowl shape. And maybe let's go to 4. Of course, the more subdivision you have, the more resources it takes up, so choose carefully. And with this one we have something that kinda looks already like a bowl, but of course it is currently not really wooden, so let's change that. And for that, we are going to Google. I just typed in wood texture, and I think I'm gonna take this one, which I have downloaded for our Blender. If you want this texture exactly, just type it into Google or visit my Discord where you can download the full file and of course the texture. So now we have a wonderful texture on our computer, so let's use that thing. So we're just gonna change this one to shader editor, and we're gonna make a new one. Scroll in a bit here, and we're gonna add an image texture, which of course we're gonna plug into the base color. And now we're just gonna open and select our downloaded texture. There we go, and here I have it wooden textured, but of course it's not really looking good, so we're just gonna change that. We're gonna press Ctrl T in order to load the Node Wrangler. If you don't have it active, you can of course always add them manually, or just go into the settings and enable the Node Wrangler. So first thing, of course, we're gonna change this UV, so we're just gonna press tab, all U to unwrap, and let's go for minimum stretch. There we go, we now have a bowl. You can see it's not really high quality because it's not really using the whole texture. So of course we can maybe scale this up a bit. Let's go to 5, and there we go. This is looking a little bit better. And well, this is a bowl. I hope you liked this one. I hope you learned something. See you next time.